You know how celebrities like Ayushmann Khurrana added an extra N, or how Karishma Kapoor removed an H from her name, and even Rani Mukherjee added an extra I and removed double E. Well, I did something similar. I added an extra I in my name and changed it from Sanskriti with a single I to Sanskriti with a double I. Now you might be wondering, why such a small change? But let me tell you that one extra alphabet changed everything for me. So today I'm going to tell you why I did it, what really happens when you change your name using numerology, and most importantly, how it can change your destiny too. Hello, beautiful souls. This is Sanskriti. Yes, the Sanskriti with a double I, and I'm so excited to share something deeply personal with you today. This video is for anyone who feels like life should be working out, but it's just not flowing the way you want. You're doing inner work, manifestation, journaling, healing, but something still feels stuck. This was me too until I realized maybe my name was never aligned with my soul path at the first place. Let me explain. For the longest time, I was Sanskriti, and yes, I felt beautiful, sacred, divine, but somehow things weren't working out for me. I would work super hard, yet opportunities would slip away. I would feel super aligned, but then fall into burnout. I had this deep intuitive knowing that something is definitely off, and no amount of journaling, ritual were fixing it. And that one day I came across name numerology. Honestly, I was skeptical at first, but something inside me nudged me to look deeper into this science. I got my numerology done, and guess what? My full name added up to a number that was blocking the exact thing I was trying to manifest: the visibility, the abundance, the soul aligned clients. My name wasn't matching my life frequency, it was keeping me stuck in my old karmic loops. I did what I felt: bold, radically, and aligned. I changed my name from Sanskriti to Sanskriti with a double I. Just one I and one vibration changed everything for me. Let's break this down for you to understand what is name numerology. Name numerology is not just about your lucky letters, it's also about aligning your name to the vibration people call you by, with your soul purpose and destiny number. Every letter has a frequency, and every name carries a frequency too. If that frequency is misaligned, you will be unknowingly attracting obstacles. Yes, your name could literally be the reasons your manifestations are delayed. That's why so many public figures shift their name before they rise to fame. Ayushmann Khurrana added an extra N to match his destiny number. Ekta Kapoor famously consults numerology before all her films' serial number. Same is with Rohit Shetty. Rani Mukherjee also replaced that double E with an I at the end of her name right before her rise. Because frequency matters, and name are one of the most powerful frequencies that you carry every single day. After I became Sanskriti, it didn't happen overnight, but the shifts were really very powerful. I got clarity in my business like never before. My energies felt majestic. I started attracting people who were just for me. I manifested a new office, a new home, a new car, travel abroad with my mom, which was a childhood dream. And even more than that, I started feeling seen, aligned, at peace. That's what happened when your name supports your soul. Everything aligns faster. Now let's talk about you. Here are some signs that your current name might not be aligned to your soul path. Number one, you're doing the inner work, but success still feels very far. You keep attracting the wrong people, you keep attracting the wrong opportunities, your manifestations are delayed and inconsistent. You had repeated setbacks or sudden energy drops. You feel like you're constantly being misunderstood. If this resonates with you, don't ignore. Your name could be the missing link between who you are and who you want to be. Now, what happened when you book a name numerology session with me? So, I first see what is your current name, what is the vibration of the name. I see that how this is affecting your personality, your career, your relationships. And then, if required, I help you understand what should be the name change or what are the things that you can do with the current name. It's not a guesswork, it's science, it's vibration, it's the intuitive guidance, which all rolled into one. Here's the truth: most people never look into name numerology. They keep working harder, healing deeper, manifesting more, but dismiss the act that their name is literally holding them back at first. So, this is the first thing that you should literally start with in your spiritual journey. You don't have to be one of them. Your soul came here with a purpose, and your name can either support it or silently block your abundance channel. So, if your intuition is nudging you today, listen to me. Book your name numerology session with me. The link is given in the description box. You can directly go to our website www.sanskritiseti.com or WhatsApp our team on +9196 34003939. And yes, I changed my name. I added an extra I, and that I reminded me that I'm powerful, I'm aligned, and I am limitless. And my YouTube family, so are you. Don't let something as subtle as your name be blocking your life, your path. Let's align your energy, open the doors to the version of who you already exist in another dimension. Thank you for being there. With love, Sanskriti Sethi.